Oh, wow. Did not see that. You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. What's going on, guys? This is Corey from IROC-Z Nation 87. Happy New Year, guys. I'm glad y'all was entertained by that video. Today we ran into a bit of a problem. There's something missing. The tent. Now, doing around Christmas, I'm going to show you exactly what happened. This is the picture because of the wind. Here's the picture. Bullshit, isn't it? I'm trying to think. Now, see? Since the tent blew away, there's nothing to work with. However, the tent was never really reinforced in me. Like, we had the poles there that comes up, and the poles that came up, and the poles that came up, but we never had a line like from there going there, or from like a line going somewhere else. It sucks because now it's like so much snow. But this is everything's in here. Exhaust and all. So everything is in here again. I'll have to figure out what's going on with that. I'll figure it out later. Oh, the snow. I opened the hood, some snow got on it. I know, but the main reason why I came here for this. This is wrong. Okay. First of all, the belt assembly goes like this. It goes straight up. Okay. From the water pump. And then it comes right here. And then it goes down at the bottom. That fell off. That's why. I gotta try to fix that. There we go. Get on like so. Stop messing with me because it's loose. Hands are cold. And sorry for the camera shaking. It's supposed to come up here. Now, from what I've seen, the belt is supposed to come up like this. See how it's really tight now? So, one, there's nothing wrong with the belt. Two, there's nothing wrong with the alternator. It's just that this was assembled the literally wrong way. Dumbass. So I'm gonna put this up here, like so, and I'm gonna show you a picture. Before I even do this, I'm gonna show you a picture of how it's supposed to look. Well, anyway, you get the story how the belt assembly is supposed to go. Literally comes down there, and wrap around the tensioner, and comes around like that, and it comes up. Just like you're seeing in the picture. That's how the belt assembly goes. You don't see my hair or anything because right now I'm literally like, my hands is freezing while I'm recording this. I can barely hear myself talk. Sounds like I'm talking like Kenny. So I don't think this vlog is going to be very long today because of all of this. Yes, notice I switched to my other hand because my hands are actually really hurting. I don't know if for the New Year's, at least now I know why that was not working. You fucking had it the wrong way.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
After all that time, I can't believe we actually had it the wrong way. Now that makes me feel like a complete moron, and my hands are starting to freeze again after 10-15 seconds of it being out of my pockets. So I'm gonna switch hands, okay? Yeah, I had to switch hands because that hand was freezing. And now it sucks because now the weather is going to go into the 5s and 10s, and looks like not much stuff for race car. I'm sorry that the vlogs have not been consistent. I apologize for that one. Along with work and working 55, 60 hours, I don't have that much time now to edit and everything because, as you see, this is why, and it's fuzzy, and it's so fuzzy. There we go. Sorry, some weird shit was going on with the camera. That's for my job to see. And one thing, I also seen how I can run the catch can. This thing here has to become unblocked. I see that little 2-piece on this side, that little 2-piece right there, I need for over here as well, because my hands are starting to freeze within 5-10 seconds taking it out. Within this goes to the catch can. Actually, no, this goes to the little valve stem here. That's where that goes. This, I need that piece back because this goes to the catch can. And for the other piece, this goes all the way down there to that little nipple that's over there for the catch can to get, because the cylinder has to breathe on this side. So that's why that's important, that little tube's there. And for this side, that's why that thing's important, so I can get all the oil out of that one. Well, out of the intake, back into the heads. That's how a catch can works. That's literally how I've seen it done, and that's how I want to run mine.
Now you're getting it.
So, see the mad scientist is here. When that's tight, you don't have to worry about that rubbing, because it's not going to rub. But as you can see, it's just tight. That's not even moving. Plus, not to mention, I have that anchor down. It's a cold one today. So it's, there's not much I can say about this vlog today. Because this vlog is going to be a short one. But for the most part, yeah, that's what's going on with that. So, well, like I said before, that sucks about the tires. It really does suck about the tires. Because I was trying to keep them. Glad to see you're okay.
Thank you.
Not much.
Yeah, you're carrying. That thing's heavy. You got it? Lizzie. No, you can't. I got it.
How was your Christmas?
It was. How was yours?
Yeah.
Why are you here?
I didn't really do anything. Like, I watched the kids open stuff, fell asleep. woke up, made food, and fell back to sleep.
Yeah.
That was it. Like Kenny worked most of the day.
I just pretty much stayed home. Yeah. Yeah, glad to see you're okay.
Yeah, nothing got messed up. Just the fender was set into the door to where I couldn't open the door a little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then the headlight shattered completely.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
We had one from when we swapped all that stuff out. And then the bunker, we needed a new bunker. And the hood got bent, like right in the front.
After just fixing it.
Yeah.
After just fixing it, then deer just jumps out of nowhere.
They jumped off the fucking hill in Valley Forge. I mean, not Valley Forge, Valley Road. And landed right in front of me. I couldn't stop.
Yeah, I know. I've almost hit a couple of them myself, and I had the old IROC.
You coming in to get one of them?
Yeah, I'll be in a second. Yeah, she had hit a deer. Well, grazed a deer. But doesn't look like that's much is gonna get done here. So I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here. Put my other hand out here. So, oh wow. Did not see that. You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch.
That's the kind of thing that makes you feel mad. Well, you can tell I'm mad by the kind of things that I say to the monster, like this. You big frog. And furthermore, I'm gonna the mother.
That's 2 tires now that has to be replaced. Son of a bitch. It never works. It never fails. It never fucking fails. But nothing's going on there today. I had showed y'all how the LS2 belt assembly works. And, well, not showed y'all, but just giving you a general... Well, actually, I did show y'all. It's just the fact that I couldn't get that on there because I don't have the proper tool to put that on there. Comment down below. So you look good for a Christmas card if it was in the ground. But yeah, so assemblies ran. That's oh, this thing is killing me. I'm literally doing this in the snow. Ah. See, this would bring the meaning. This really does bring the meaning of a cold air intake, because yeah, all that shit is being literally underneath the air, and weather and snow. But anyway, I just wanted to finish the vlog up for this one. But yeah, that's all. I already know that, but. Due to the fact of the 107th, 8th primaries, 40 head gap, 0.040 head gaskets, sport and polished cylinder heads, sport and polished intake. Of course, you know it's already polished, so it's already smooth on the inside. So, yeah, stock cam still stock cam. But it has the MSD coil packs, MSD wires. MSD. Long time ago, I remember I had that welded in. My finger's starting to freeze on that side. But that's pretty much what I have for the build. Well, there's a lot more for the build, but that's pretty much what I'm going to say right now for the build. That will announce like a whole build breakdown, but that's like after the tune and stuff like that. And I will announce everything that this car has. I mean, everything down to the T. So make sure you stay tuned for that and check that one out. But I'm going to close this vlog out. But give a thumbs up for that. Okay? Give a thumbs up for that.
Jesus Christ.
Big thumbs up. So, if you are stopping in for the first time, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you want to get a notification whenever my video comes up, please hit that notification bell, and it will let you know whenever my video is posted. Make sure that you follow the build on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at IROC-Z Nation 87. All of my information will be down in the links below. So make sure you hit that like button. Take care and have a great day.
Now I will be able to get my beauty sleep.